Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get waves filter on Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If wave filter is not showing on your Instagram, then firstly you have to update your Instagram, and after that what you need to do is just simply open Instagram, and after that you have to tap on this plus icon and then tap on story, and then you can scroll to left side. You can scroll to left side all the way, and then you have to tap on this plus icon, and from here you have to tap on search icon and just simply search for waves, and after that you will see this type of interface. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on this, and here it is guys. Here you can see guys, this is the wave filter. If you want to try it, then you can do from here, and from here you can record your video from here. So let me tell you that this filter is on just Instagram. If you want to upload video on TikTok or Facebook, then you can record video from here and you can upload on TikTok. So that is the way guys you can easily get wave filter on Instagram. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.